It's an alphabet vending machine.
Wow!
A. I'll write the letter A in black on an orange board. A. B. I will write the letter B on the yellow board. B. C. Shall we write the letter C in white on a green board? C. D. I'll write the letter D on the orange board. D. E. I'll write the letter E on the yellow board. E. F. Shall we write the letter F on the green board? F. G. I'll write the letter G on the orange board. G. H. I'll write the letter H in white on a blue board. H. I. I'll write the letter I on the purple board. I. J. I'll write the letter J on the red board. J. K. I'll write the letter K on the blue board. K. L. Shall we write the letter L on the purple board? L. M. I'll write the letter M on the red board. M. N. I'll write the letter N on the blue board. N. O. Shall we write the letter O on the orange board? O. P. I'll write the letter P on the green board. P. Q. Shall we write the letter Q on the yellow board? Q. R. I'll write the letter R on the orange board. R. S. Shall we write the letter S on the green board? S. T. I'll write the letter T on the yellow board. T. U. Shall we write the letter U on the orange board? U. V. I'll write the letter V on the blue board. V. W. I'll write the letter W on the purple board. W. X. Shall we write the letter X on the red board? X. Y. I'll write the letter Y on the blue board. Y. Z. I'll write the letter Z on the purple board. Z. Good job!